We will take a look at a factory that has revolutionized cheese production. Thousands of liters of fresh milk arrive at the factory and are transferred to huge vats at incredible speed. Within seconds, the liquid milk solidifies and begins its journey to become cheese. Automatic cutters cut the cheese into equal pieces, each slice looking perfect. The milk that arrives at the factory is pasteurized perfectly in giant tanks. And here is the awaited moment. The yogurt is finally left to rest. But this is not an ordinary rest. The ideal temperature and duration truly perfect the consistency and taste of the yogurt. The latest technology filling machines come into play, and each container is filled exactly as you want it. From the moment the egg arrives from the farm, it is processed flawlessly with high-tech machines. The eggs are scanned one by the machines, and the defective ones are immediately separated. These machines can scan and clean hundreds of eggs per minute. This factory is not just a production center. It is at the peak of technology. Once the olives are picked, the work only begins. We are entering a world where traditional methods meet modern technology. Once the olives are picked, the work only begins. We are entering a world where traditional methods meet modern technology. Each of these machines can extract liters of olive oil per minute. When the honey processing phase begins, the magic begins. At this stage, the honey is filtered to its purest form. Unwanted particles and foreign substances are completely removed, so that the honey that comes to your table reaches you in the most perfect form that nature has to offer. The machines come into play, and the giant mixers work at flawless speed to create the perfect dough. Tons of dough are made in minutes. Yes, kneading the dough is no longer a skillful handiwork, but an art of technology. Bacon is selected from the highest quality pork, and this is where the work begins. Special cutting techniques applied to the meat create the characteristic thin and long slices of bacon. However, this work is not done by human hands, but by high-precision machines. Each slice is cut to the same thickness with millimetric calculations. Giant washing machines clean the strawberries while also sorting out the damaged ones. Perfect strawberries are ready to move on to the next stage. Tons of strawberries are processed in seconds at this stage. Everything starts with the perfect dough: flour, milk, eggs. But these ingredients are not ordinary. They are measured and mixed with a complete marvel of engineering. Machines that work with incredible precision prepare the waffle dough to a perfect consistency. Tons of dough are produced in minutes, and the next stage is moved on.
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
It all starts here, in special rooms where the cheese is matured. These rooms are not ordinary. They are like time capsules where temperature and humidity are controlled with millimetric calculations, deepening the flavor of the cheese. Cheddar cheeses are kept in this perfect environment for months and begin to mature. Flour, water, yeast, and of course butter, the soul of the croissant. While the perfect dough is kneaded in giant machines, this dough, which will be rolled out layer by layer, is prepared to turn into a flavor bomb. The butter is processed into the dough in thin layers, each layer creating the unique texture of the croissant. And here is the dough taking its final shape. Automatic machines wrap the dough flawlessly in the shape of a crescent. Water, flour, yeast, and salt. However, when these simple ingredients are combined with modern machines, they create a miracle that turns into bagel dough. Giant dough mixers combine the ingredients with millimetric precision to achieve the perfect texture. In minutes, tons of dough takes its first step towards becoming a bagel.